Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohsin Shiekh and I am the student of Tabani's School of Accountancy. I am currently the student of CAF 2, CAF 3 and CAF 5 in TSA. TSA is offering online education to their students, which is very effective and interactive. It is the best alternative of their physical classes. I personally found online education as very beneficial for students because it saves our time and transportation expenses. It is also beneficial for us because we have recorded lectures which can compensate any missed lecture, and it is also available for us anytime for a review. Thank you.